Good morning, students of class ninth. Now, today we are going to start History chapter 3rd, Nazism and the Rise of Hitler. Nazism was a political ideology which flourished in Germany and influenced world politics. When genocidal war started in Germany under the shadow of the Second World War, it caused killings of millions of people in different inhuman ways. In this chapter we have to study about the Nazis ideology, Hitler's policy and its impact on Germany as well as world's socio-political economic system. So first of all, birth of the Weimar Republic. Germany was a powerful empire in the early years of the 20th century. It fought the First World War alongside the Austrian Empire and against the Allies. Allies means England, France, and Russia. Germany made initial gains in the war by occupying France and Belgium. The Allies were strengthened by the US entry in 1917. They defeated Germany and the Central Powers in November 1918. The defeat of Imperial Germany and the resigning of the Emperor gave an opportunity to parliamentary parties to recast German polity. A National Assembly met at Weimar and established a democratic constitution with a federal structure. Deput- Deputies were elected to the German parliament or Reichstag on the basis of equal and universal votes. On the basis of equal and universal votes cast by all adults, including women. Peace Treaty of Versailles. The Peace Treaty of Versailles with the Allies was a harsh and humiliating peace. By signing the Peace Treaty of Versailles, Germany lost its overseas colonies, one-tenth of its population, and 13% of its territories. Second one is 75% of its iron and 26% of its coal to France, Poland, Denmark, and Lithuania. Third one, 6 billion pound as compensation for war. The war guilt clause held Germany responsible for the war and damage the allied countries suffered. And now the fourth one is resource rich Rhineland to allied control. Further, the allied power demilitarized, demilitarized Germany to weaken its power. Many Germans held the new Weimar Republic responsible for not only the defeat in the war but the disgrace at Versailles. After that, we have to discuss about the effect of the war in next lecture. Thank you.